In this video, we are going to see how we can check if our Gmail account has been hacked. So this method advises you the techniques to secure your account, considering that you're still being able to log in into your Google or Gmail account. If you are not, you can check out the other video in the description on how you can ask Google to help you recover your account. But this is related to the privacy settings and how you can detect if your Gmail account was hacked. So what we'll do is, if you're still able to log in into your Gmail account, or you're already logged in, that's why you're still in control. So from the main interface of Gmail, you click on the profile icon on the right hand corner and click on manage your Google account. And from here, what we'll do is we'll click on sign in and security on the left hand corner. And from here, you first have to check for any kind of critical security issues found. If there are anything like that, like it says your account is at risk, secure it now, we'll click on that. And from here, it says that compromise passwords on 5 sites. You can check your passwords and delete it from there, or you can change those passwords which they recommend you as compromised. So these are the platforms where our passwords are or might be compromised. And what you can also do is you can check the compromised passwords found list, and you can just change them or delete them from the sign-in access to specific websites. And also what you can do is review security activity. So we click on that, and any kind of new sign-ins, you just identify if they are known or unknown. So you remove the access altogether for that. For example, I want to secure my account because this was not me. So we click on that, and Google will automatically trace the suspicious activities there. So whenever you notice anything or any location or any activity that you don't identify as you did it, maybe weird location is used to log in to your device, any device that is mentioned here that you do not identify, you can just simply click on that and click on no secure my account. And once you click on that, let's say we click on this one, it says change password. That means your account may be at risk if you don't identify that locations. That might be the case that someone else is using your passwords to access the account, so you should change your password. So in here, you just click on this, and it will first ask you to re-log in by confirming your first password, and then it will show you the option to change the password. Also, in the security and sign-in screen, make sure that the two-step verification is turned on, and you have added authenticator, Google prompts, and whatever possible to secure with two-step activity on your Google account. So basically, this is an added layer to log in into your Gmail account that makes your account secure. So if you have this turned on, most likely it will secure most of the hacks. And after that, you scroll all the way down to the manage all devices option, click on that, and for all the weird devices that you do not identify or you are not using it anymore, you can just hit that device, open this up, and maybe you need to log in again. And after that, you click on sign out from that device. Also, after signing out of all the unidentified devices, you might also check your linked apps. So if you have apps linked, so to secure your account, you might need to remove the access for some of the apps. So for example, this, I want to remove all the access for this make.com. Click on delete all, click on confirm. And that is how you can make it better. So for example, for the Patreon, SoundCloud, whatever I'm not actually using, you can delete the access for that. So once we have confirmed and secured our account by turning on the two-step verification, securing our account with removing the access of unrecognized devices, and also we have removed unauthorized apps or unidentified apps. The second step is, if you believe that hacker did have access to our account earlier, since we have already changed the password of our Gmail and removed every other access of the device, we still need to see some of the settings in order to make sure that the hacker didn't turn off any kind of mail forwarding. That means our emails are going to some other email automatically. So we need to make sure and turn off that as well. So click on the settings on the top right hand corner and click on see all settings. And from here, we click on forwarding and POP, and just make sure that there isn't any address mentioned right here in the forwarding. If there is an email address mentioned here that you didn't set up, you click on remove the address, click OK to confirm. And also additionally, you will need to go to filters and blocked addresses. And if there is creating a filter, that means any specific emails are forwarded to a specific email address, you need to remove that filters if you didn't set that up. So if you didn't set some filters, you just check all of them or one by one and you click on delete that filters from here. Also, you need to go in accounts and import, and if it shows you the option of grant access to your account, make sure there is no other account added right here that can read and send mail on your behalf. So just make sure of that. If there is any email added right here, you just need to delete it. And then after making all of these settings, hopefully we have secured our Gmail account and completely checked if the Gmail account is hacked, and we have fully secured our account. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.